How to install Lensa app on Android. Okay, so you want to get the Lensa app on your Android device. It's pretty straightforward. Let's walk through it. First thing you need to do is find the Google Play Store on your phone. It looks like a triangle, a colorful triangle by the way, but due to my phone settings, you can see it's not colored, but you can see the triangle right over here. Just go ahead and tap on it to open it up. Once you're inside the Google Play Store, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the search icon, which is in bottom right corner over here. Tap on it and then tap on the search bar and just type Lensa over there. Then tap on the search icon and we are in the results. Now look for the official Lensa app. It will have an app icon next to it. You can see my Lensa app right over here. Simply tap on it and go to app page. On the app page, you will see a big blue button that says install. Give it a tap and your phone will now start downloading and installing the app. How fast this happens depends upon your internet connection. So just hang tight for a moment while it works its magic. Once it's finished, the install button will sense. It will now say open. You can see my open right over here. Just tap on it and the Lensa app will launch. And that's it. You have successfully installed Lensa on your Android device. Are ready to give it a try. So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.